Picture this: you need a US manufacturer that can deliver hand-soldered prototypes and high-volume SMT production, all backed by aerospace and medical certifications. Tough to find, right? Not at Anzer. From our Ohio facility, we blend 33 years of expertise with cutting-edge tech to make your projects shine, whether you need 5 units or 5,000. Many electronics designers face headaches from inconsistent PCB quality, delays, rework, or costly failures. At Anzer, we eliminate those risks. Our ISO 9001, AS9100, and ISO 13485 certifications mean every assembly is traceable, reliable, and built to the highest standards. Our IPC-certified team, guided by a veteran quality control manager and third-party audits, ensures zero defects. That's our promise: on specification, on time, on budget. From aerospace to medical to industrial automation, we're your one-stop shop in Ohio. We handle everything: PCB design, embedded firmware, wire harnesses, box builds, even RoHS compliance. Our design reviews optimize for cost and manufacturability, while rapid prototyping gets your ideas to market fast. Plus, our Ohio location slashes shipping costs and boosts supply chain reliability. At Anzer, integrity and customer partnerships drive us. We're a minority and women's business enterprise, delivering affordable, tailored solutions with rigorous testing. Ready to bring your vision to life? Contact Anzer today for a free quote, and let's build the future of electronics together.